You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this medieval chivalric romance book. The English pronunciation is as Tristan and Iseult. That's the English pronunciation. The French pronunciation is as Iseult. But in English, Tristan and Iseult. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.